Hey everyone, welcome to the best online tutorials channel. AI can now turn any song into a cover sung by a completely different voice, and you don't need a studio equipment to do it. In this video, I'll show you how you can exactly make AI cover songs using the service called Singify AI step by step, from choosing voice, preparing the song, understanding prompt structure, and exporting the final cover. No theory here, just how it actually works. And before we begin, let us make a small introduction and let me explain to you what is this service and what's it for. So Singify AI is a AI voice cover generator that lets you apply AI voices to songs. You upload or select a track, choose a voice model, and the AI recreates the song using that voice. And now the common use cases that this service is used for generally. It's AI cover songs, creative experiments, parody content, music demos. And now, of course, just like everywhere, guys, before we begin, let us make an account. So as I suppose, the sign up process is going to be, pretty simple. Press on sign up right over here. And in here, you can choose whether to use your email to sign up, your Apple ID, or Google. In my case, to not take too much time, I will just go ahead and use my Google account right away. Okay, successful login. Great, and now we have our interface available to us. So now let us discuss what does the interface consist of. So of course, firstly, you need to decide what exactly you want to do. So as you can see in this interface on the main dashboard, we have the templates that can be used to create our songs. So firstly, we have the generation of our song from scratch. So it's going to be prompt to song, meaning pretty much text to song. You just provide your prompt right over here in this prompt field. This is going to be the place where our magic happens. And then, of course, the AI will create the song for you. So as you can see, I am your Singify Aria, your songwriting assistant. Share your ideas, and let's generate unique and creative music together. So you can also try saying some of these templates right over here. As you can see, Singify provides them for us. So if you wish to experiment a little bit and see how the service works, you can use these. And then you can also choose the lyrics to song. So you just provide your lyrics in here, and then AI creates your song based on the lyrics that you provide. So pretty much direct lyrics you chose, the song, the output song that will be generated at the end will consist and be comprised of these lyrics that you have provided. Pretty simple. Then also we have instrumental. So as you can see, we can use our song, just like I said, and create some lyrics on top of it. So as you can see, we have the reference audio that you add, and there's an explanation. As you can see, the reference audio takes priority over style prompts to ensure more accurate music generation. And now just choose how you wish to proceed. And then after that, the most important choice is going to be the voice model, which is chosen right over here. As you can see, select the music model, and we have these ones available. And now, Signify offers different ones, usually based on vocal tone, pitch range, and singing style. And you choose the voice that fits the song. For example, pop songs work best with clean, balanced voices, and rap or low vocals need deep voice models. Bad choice for the voice means bad cover, even with a good song. So as you can see, we have Aria version 1, which will cost us 1 credit. And as you can see, I have 3 credits available. Or we have also Aria, which is, what is this? Aria, oh, it's S1, not V1. As you can see, it's a enhanced prompt understanding, precise style, and superior song quality. Great, and supports 10 languages with composition lasting up to 4.5 minutes. That's great. So in our case, I will just choose the Aria version 1. which is fast enhanced music generation model, and we can start creating something. And now this takes us to the very important part, which is the song preparation. Before uploading anything or starting, you need the right audio format. Best results come from instrumental or karaoke versions, clean vocals, minimal background noise. If you upload a full song with heavy vocals, the AI may struggle. So if possible, use vocal separated tracks, instrumentals plus vocal guide. This steps alone massively improves your quality. Okay guys, then just be sure to upload the audio. My audio is now uploaded. Then don't forget about the prompt, right? So this is my prompt over here. So once again, as you can see, based on the prompt, I've got the soft and emotional style. So go ahead and choose the proper style fitting for this genre, right? So I just chose R&B, and I chose this guy, Rowan Vale, to be my singer. Okay, now press on send. The AI will think now, and let's wait. Okay, now we have the verses, the choruses, and pretty much the lyrics being generated in real time. And now, as you can see, you can use the reference audio or remove it, and then generate your song. As you can see, we will be charged one of our credits to create this song. And I will just press generate, and let me talk to you more about the prompt so you can understand how to proceed. So Singify doesn't need long prompts, but how you describe the cover still matters. So a good AI cover prompt includes the singing style, emotion, and vocal intensity. Think in performance terms, not technical terms. And also don't forget in your prompt to tell how expressive the voice should be, how strong the delivery is, what kind of final sound you want. Avoiding prompts like make it perfect or sound amazing, these don't help. And then, of course, click generate, and once everything is set, Singify will now analyze the song, apply the AI voice, recreate the vocals. Okay, as you can see, 2 of my songs are now generated, and this can take anywhere from seconds to a few minutes, depending on song length. And then, guys, you can just press on play and listen carefully to the result. And if everything or anything sounds off, try a different voice model, adjust the prompt tone, use a cleaner instrumental, and also regenerate the cover. AI covers improve through small adjustments, not big changes. And then, as a final result, when you're actually happy, you can download your cover, and you can now use it in videos, share it on social media, edit in further audio software, and also something that's very important, always check copyright and usage rules, especially if you plan to monetize the content. Alright, and this is pretty much how you make your AI cover songs. When ready, press on the download button. As you can see, we'll need a subscription for this, and then you can download. This is how you create your AI cover songs with Singify, step by step. Once you understand voice selection, song preparation, and prompt structure, the results improve a lot. So if this tutorial helped, leave a like and subscribe for more AI and create tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.